Welcome to AI Brief. I'm Amin.
And I'm Leah.
This is episode 137, and today we're doing a deep dive into some really interesting updates.
Yeah, we've got Meta's new security tool for AI agents, Google Chrome adding AI scam protection,
And OpenAI linking ChatGPT with GitHub for deeper code dives. Plus, some other cool AI and robotics news and new tools.
Okay, let's get into it.
So, starting with Meta AI, they've open sourced something called LlamaFirewall.
That's right. It's basically a security framework aimed at large language model agents, those AIs that can act more autonomously.
And the goal is protection.
What exactly?
Things like prompt injection, trying to trick the AI with specific text and jailbreaks where you try to make it bypass its safety rules. Also, checking for insecure code it might generate.
Okay. How does it work? Is it like one big system?
No, it's modular, designed for real-time defense. It has components like Prompt Guard 2, that's for the prompt injection and jailbreaks. Comes in a couple of sizes.
Okay. Different sizes for speed versus power, I guess. Sort of. Balancing detection and performance. Then there's alignment check. Still experimental, but it audits the AI's reasoning to spot goal hijacking.
Goal hijacking. Like if it starts pursuing a different goal than intended.
Exactly. And Code Shield, which does static analysis, basically scanning code for security flaws before it runs.
And you can customize it too. Add your own scanners.
You can. They've reported evaluations showing it cuts attack success by over 90%.
Wow, that's significant. And with minimal impact on utility, you said.
Apparently so. And this is really key, isn't it? As AI gets more autonomous, managing complex tasks, well, security becomes absolutely critical.
It really does. Giving developers these tools feels like a necessary step for deploying AI more widely, especially in sensitive areas.
Definitely. And speaking of security, but more on the user end, Google Chrome.
Right, version 137, using AI to fight scams.
Yeah. The on-device Gemini Nano model, it's now analyzing web pages locally, right in your browser, looking for signs of tech support scams.
Things like those fake virus warnings that lock your keyboard.
Precisely. Misuse of keyboard lock APIs, deceptive prompts. Because it's on device, it's fast, and keeps your data private.
And if it suspects something, does it just block it?
It sends summarized signals, not the whole page, up to Google Safe Browsing for a double check. Then you might get a warning.
Makes sense. Who gets this protection?
Users with Chrome's enhanced protection enabled see the biggest benefit, but standard users also get better protection from updated block lists informed by this AI.
And they're expanding it.
Yep. Plans to cover other scams, fake package tracking, unpaid toll messages. Android support is coming later this year, too.
Thinking about those annoying pop-ups just disappearing, that's a tangible benefit of AI running locally.
It really is. It prompts the question, how else can this on-device AI help protect us proactively?
Good question. Okay, shifting gears a bit. OpenAI and GitHub, what's the connection there?
They've integrated GitHub into ChatGPT's deep research tool.
Meaning
Meaning you can connect your GitHub account, point it at your repositories, and ask ChatGPT to analyze the code, the redemos, the documentation.
And it generates reports based on your actual code base.
Detailed reports, yes, with citations linking back to the specific code or files. It does real-time analysis of the source code and even pull requests.
Okay, who gets access to this?
Users with Plus, Pro, or Team subscriptions. And importantly, it respects your existing repository permissions.
Think about the use cases. Onboarding new developers, understanding legacy code.
Or just auditing decisions. You could ask it why a certain change was made, assuming the context is in the repo. It's about unlocking understanding through conversation.
That's fascinating. Okay, let's quickly touch on some other updates in AI and robotics. What else caught your eye?
Well, there's this humanoid robot from UC Berkeley engineers, open source, and can be built for under $5,000.
Under 5K.
Sure.
Compared to commercial ones costing, what, over $100?
Exactly. It can be 3D printed, it walks, hops, can be remote controlled, makes advanced robotics way more accessible.
Very cool. What else?
Weather modification with drones in China. Researchers used them to release silver iodide, inducing rainfall about 18.5 million gallons worth.
Wow. Did it work significantly?
They reported a 4% increase in rainfall in the area, still evaluating scalability for drought management, though.
Interesting. And Amazon's got a new robot.
Vulcan, a warehouse robot with a sense of touch. It uses sensors in its joints to feel items.
Feel them. How does that work?
Machine learning interprets the sensor data to guide its grip and movement. Amazon still emphasizes humans are crucial, even as they aim for more automation.
Right. There's also something about a baby robot.
Babybot, yeah. A research tool robotic infant with a sensorized mouth, soft tongue. It's for studying infant feeding behaviors and developmental issues safely without testing on real infants.
Makes sense for that kind of research.
Yeah.
And one more.
A nuclear-resistant spy robot built for entering and monitoring America's missile silos remotely, providing 360-degree awareness in high-security zones.
Okay, quite a range of developments there. Before we wrap up, let's quickly mention some trending AI tools.
Sure. Remio caught my eye, a local-first AI note-taker and knowledge hub. Organizes your info locally.
Translate Air Instant AI Translation for Mac OS. Sits in a floating bar. Has OCR.
Aragon creates realistic AI headshots of you for updating profiles and stuff.
Penny AI, a shopping tool. Price comparison. Finds similar items, gives pros and cons.
Zapier MCP 2.0 connects AI to thousands of apps for automation securely.
Unframe AI promises custom enterprise AI solutions, delivered fast.
And Visit uses visual AI to help brands optimize images for better engagement and sales, making sure your pictures work harder.
Lots of tools out there leveraging AI.
Definitely. So that covers our deep dive for today. Some major steps in AI security, usability, and some pretty fascinating robotics too.
We hope you found these insights useful. To keep up with everything happening in AI, please do follow and share AI Brief.
Thanks for tuning in.